we go at 65, 70 miles an hour. Let me pull over. Yep, so we're coming back from Hill Country. Hey, say hi, Jan.
Hi, Shanna.
Texas Hill Country, our state tour, and yeah, I cheated. We drove the Model A down, but I trailered it back because we stopped to see our daughter. So I want to show you something though. I've been checking every time we get out, and you just won't believe this. You know, you always got to check. We've been running pretty hard, 70 for a few miles. But look at this. Man, these hubs, you can touch them. Cold to the touch. They're not heating up one bit. Both, all of them, man. I check every time we stop. Hubs are good, so yeah, doing real good. Have a good day. I'm about 2 hours from home.